Leading with empathy starts with trust. This means our very first conversation together, as we get to know each other, must have a foundation in trust. It's very common for a client to contact me and give me the version of what happened that most favors them. Their interpretation of the case, their story, is what I hear first. It's important for me as a former prosecutor and now someone who represents you to get to the heart of the real story. There's going to be good, there's going to be bad. It's very unlikely that your story will be in the police report. Unfortunately, the prosecutor and the judge only see what's in the police report. And that police report may be balanced, it may be in favor of the police and the prosecution. It's certainly not going to be swayed in your favor. So I need to understand, as your attorney, what is the version of your case that will appear in the police report. Now, we'll eventually get the police report and other discovery. But our very first conversation, it's important for me to understand what we're going to be facing. Because at step one, you'll be judged and defined by the contents of that police report. Step two, where we change the perception and go outside of that police report, is how we change that. But we need to know the foundation of the case. What are the red flags that are going to show up in your case? How do we need to tackle your case? One example may be, in your case, there's alcohol involvement, and the client may not tell me that. But if the very foundation of the case is the alcohol, I need to know that right away, because we need to put proactive steps in place. We can't lose time discussing half-truths. When you reach out to me, our conversation is confidential. Even if we don't end up working together, leading with truth is how we get to a potential path to work together. Leading with empathy starts with trust.